Psyching myself up.
Is this a psych up, is it?
In your kit, put your key and drive up.
See, why couldn't you just like... So retarded, it's unbelievable. Go on. Only one, in one go, in one go, in one go, in one go.
Go on, mate. I'll time you.
No funnel. Is this in case it goes all over you?
There's something bent there. Maybe.
Is this to prove? He's got to. He wants to prove it to himself.
I'm gonna do that.
Yeah.
Go on then. Go on then.
How quick can make it? Oh, God. You want to start?
Hey! That was miserable. That was alright. I've done alright. I've done alright. You've done alright. Half of it's gone on the floor, you know. You've done alright. Half of it's gone on the floor, you know, bro.
And Timmy's got the proof.
Pathetic.
A little bit went on the floor. Fair enough. There's a bit around my neck and my top.
That was shite. That was. I've had 2 points. Get lost.
No, right.
What?
So I'm driving up looking to find another
Oi, Phil.
He's just turned away.
Oi, come here, Phil, you bastard.
No, really ain't going to be able to see it.
Good, because he's fucking ugly anyway. Kid, he's fucking a rat, man. If I had a son like you, I'd shave your ass and tell you to walk backwards.
Right, so you can slip right onto you. Like you do that with your son, you little nasty bitch.
You don't know. What's that?
Tim, do you remember like that, Ben? Tim. Let's see, that's what I want you to do.
Walk away, walk away. It's exactly what I wanted, what?
Walk right into it. That means virgin in sign language.
It's not fine.
Tim, have you ever used them?
I did actually. I was scratching my arsehole the other day.
You little pisshead. Are you having any at all?
Oh! Oh, fucking hell! Fucking hell! How much is he down then? Hang on. Hang on.
Simon, that's your best.
I'll get you.
Sorry, that was Lloyd. Look at Jamie, man. Jamie. He made you look feeble. Get me one. I'll do it. I'll show all of you up.
Okay, now we'll come back next year, so we're doing it.
Hey! Look at these.
Tim, zoom. Tim, that's still not moving, so don't worry about it.
It's not going anywhere. He's just got it in his mouth. He's going to be sick. He can't even stand up, man. You stig. Hang on.
He's getting there.
He's going. He's going. He's going.
Go on, guys.
That little
bastard, yeah.
He's go.
Come on, guys.
Hang on. Stand back. Stand back. Stand back. The second he's finished with it, he's going to go all over the floor.
Chris, you've been doing our game with the rubbish bloke here. No,
Fucking hell, how long does it take?
and he's taking forever.
As long as he does it, doesn't matter how long. Simon's done it twice, it's still the same.
He's knocking it back in gloves. I've only got about an hour and 30 minutes of tape on here. Has he done it all?
It's good, guys.
He's done it? Still done it. He's still having a go, still having a go. Kick it out of his mate. Yeah. That was just like crap.
That was just a poor attempt.
He's still got the same bottle. Has he done it again?
No, it's the same bottle. You didn't even got halfway. That's pathetic. You big fanny. Press it again, it stops.
There, mate. Look at that. Smile.
Fire.
Smile. It's your birthday.
Hey, Finn.
Fucking.
Stop messing around with my tree.
Fucking dog tail, man. Look at it, man. It's all been a tap boy fucking peacock. Get up.
Hey, man.
Shut up. Were you having that, baby? I'm joking, mate. Come on, you got that black eye.
Dad, watch this camera.
Oh, you flange flash.
Smile, Jamie. Jamie. Smile. Yeah, mate.
You lucky things. Look at me.
There's nothing wrong with you.
Look at me.
There's nothing wrong with you.
Look, I've been a tap boy being porcupine, man.
Tell you what, we'll stick you in the fire to get rid of him.
What are you doing?
Oh. He's taping the ground.
It's your birthday. Hey, you look like a prick. You don't know what you're looking like, man.
Put it away.
Yeah, put it away. Which bag?
Tim,
What?
away.
How long?
Yeah, we're going to see him now.
And I'll shove your bum there.
How's he got a hole in his trousers there?
Yes, just a little bit. And he knows it's there.
Stop fingering in your ass, Chris.
I'd love to be able to make sure it's crafted.
We've got a firework. There's only one lit.
That must have been a quick.
That's the packet.
Is that it?
Don't go back.
Is that all we got left?
No, go back.
Did you go up and see it bang to me?
Well, I saw. I don't know what it was.
Oh, wild man.
That was so
Crap.
That was just. How much did you pay for that? 10 quid? 10p. 10p?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, ow.
Yep. Right, that's 2 minutes, can be yours then.
Timmy's.
Oh, you don't want it?
Don't look at Rick, Chris, don't mess around. I've got this in me.
What's it in under, is it like?
Don't.
Ready more?
Belinda, tie you to the rocket. Oi, piss off. Piss.
Mom, you want to look at last weekend's export? No.
What's that?
We got last week actually.
Let's see if it was true about the size of his dick.
It is. It is.
That's what I done it for.
It is. I'm telling you.
That's on the slack.
Laura might find out later, I don't know.
Is that right? She's there.
Of course.
She's there.
She's there, the base. Ooh,
Of course.
She kept putting toilet roll down there so you couldn't hear what
It was so funny.
She puts toilet paper down so you can't hear it splash. And then she put the toilet paper down.
No, she didn't sit on it properly then. She's like, no, she was squatting. She was squatting.
She won't sit on the another toilet.
She was squatting.
You should send it to that video.
Oh, it's so funny. We showed the ref.
I was thinking about putting it on the internet. Making some money.
She come now, he's turned on your watch, she come back in.
She has a shower.
So that's all. Gets into the shower and asks us to Nicholas.
Yeah, look at the old people.
Proper ravers, man.
The old one.
What are they doing?
Oh, yeah, he's going to blues. He's going to blues.
Not really, man.
Young, get hard. Young, get hard.
You're so
Young, get hard. Raving, man. I heard him, I just heard him, man. Where's my ear? Where's my ear? Hey!
I hide all over the place. Well,
I was just going to say, we sent Villa friend, don't get him on.
Hey, not the league.
Shut up, you bell rod.